Make sure your camera's ready.
Say something?
Test it!
Okay, I guess that's testing. So it might surprise you to learn that I don't actually have a webcam on my computer. I used to have one years ago, but it busted, and then I had no real reason for keeping a webcam for like video calls or anything like that. But as circumstances have it, I have some like business meetings and Skypes and things like that I've been doing lately, and the need for webcam came back up. So we picked up the camera. This is the Logitech C270. It is definitely more budget oriented as far as webcam goes. It's about $20 US, $30 Canadian, and it's pretty basic. So it only does up to 720p for video. It has a noise canceling microphone, as well as auto light adjustment. But other than that, you know, it's a pretty standard thing. I think it takes up to 3 megapixel stills. So maybe we'll just go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like. All right. So, handy knife.
Sharpie knifey.
Sharp knife, so you gotta be very careful, right, Addie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can use my own downstairs knife now.
You can, eh?
But not the very sharp ones.
So, it's right here at the top of the box here. You can see the Logitech C270. And
how are you supposed to get it out?
yeah, I'm trying not to break it. Oh, comes out all together like that, so let's put the box over there. It opens up. And here's the camera itself. Zoom in there for you. There you go. So it comes with all kinds of protective wrapping. So let me just peel all of that off. And then there's more wrapping on the back here.
So many wrapping. Maybe I can help you for a bit.
Okay, so you can kind of see it there. So like I said, it's capable of up to 720p HD video, and it also has a noise canceling microphone. And then there's the clip on the back there for putting onto the top of your laptop hatch if your laptop doesn't have a camera or you want to upgrade to a better camera, or you know, your computer monitor in a desktop kind of situation. As can be expected, it just connects via standard USB-A, so it will be compatible with just about everything. Yeah, it's fixed focus, and it is a mono microphone with 60 degrees field of view, and it's just saying that it has a standard lens, whatever that means. So let me see if I can. Oh, and it kind of tilts there too.
Yeah, cool.
So
zoom in.
there you go. And then the only other thing that's in the box
is the instructions.
are the instructions, as you can see there. And just runs you through the setup guide, so it shows you should plug it into your computer, how to latch it onto the top of your monitor or the top of your laptop, and then
open it.
You can get the support over at www.logitech.com/support/C270. And that's about it. So it says, you know, in the regular important safety, compliance, and warranty information. So I'm hoping that it's just gonna be straight up plug and play, but I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my computer and see how it works.
I'm gonna tie it.
Whoosh. There you go. So I'm gonna try my best to sync up that video, but this will give you a good comparison between the kind of image quality that you can expect from a quote-unquote real camera compared to the webcam here. So I am talking to the Logitech C270 right now. This will give you a sense of both the audio and the video quality just straight out of the webcam. And now I'm looking at my Panasonic Lumix GH2 with a Rode video mic attached to it. So this will give you a good comparison. So again, this is with the Logitech C270 H2 webcam. And this is with my Panasonic GH2 with a Rode video mic. So this gives you an idea of the kind of audio and video quality that you get with a real camera and with a webcam. So I am doing a little bit of cheating here. I do have a small video light right here that I'm using to illuminate, but the room is otherwise not lit aside from like the light that's coming from the computer monitors right behind you. So yeah, so that's a really quick unboxing / review test of the Logitech C270. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like and comment and all that good stuff too. Okay. Peace.
Peace.
Peace. And peace here too.
I just want to tell you something.
What do you want to tell me?
So on the Judge Show.
Yeah.
And it has moisturizer.
Yeah.
And you know who I am, so some people don't know what I am, so I'll say my name is Addie instead of Alan, my full name.
Okay. Now people know.
Yep.
Okay. Bye.
Hey.
Stay peachy.
Stay peachy. Make sure you eat all your fruit.
And your vegetables.